How to add a CT analog clock widget to the lock screen on the iPhone 14 series. Now first I'm going to press on the side button to go back to my lock screen. On your lock screen, make sure it is activated. At the moment I have display always on display, so I'm going to tap on it to turn on the lock screen, and then touch and hold. Then touch and hold again to put in the passcode. So you need to do it quick enough, otherwise the always on display will turn on again, as you can see right here. So I'm going to touch and hold, then touch and hold, then put in the passcode. Next, tap on the customize button at the bottom. In here, tap on add widgets. Then in the add widgets pop-up, go down and tap on clock. Next, swipe across to locate the CT analog widget, and then tap on it. Now you can tap on the widget again to add in more widgets. And next, tap on the widget to select a city. I'm going to tap on that, and here you can type in the city name that you want to use. So here I'm going to choose Sydney for that one. In here, oops, I just accidentally tapped on the delete button, so tap on the clock, and in here you'll be able to select a city, and then I'm going to tap on that one, and I'll select another city, Berlin, and then again tap on the clock icon to select a different city. You can also use the search box to type in the city name, and this will allow you to quickly locate the city. After that, tap on the close button from the pop-up, then tap on the close button again, and then don't forget to tap on the done button at the top. From the pop-up, tap on set as wallpaper pair, and now tap on the lock screen to close it, and that's it. So we have now finished adding all the analog clock widget to the lock screen, and that is how you can add the analog clock widgets to the lock screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.